Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, daytime running lights, dust-sensing headlights, engine hour meter, front seat type, split bench and head airbags, curtain first row. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.